It's no secret that GameFi has been absolutely changing the crypto and the gaming space. And the reason for this is that people can actually just play games and earn crypto, which then they can translate into real money. So today I'm going to be talking about 4 projects for you guys that will essentially be very easy to sign up and play and very easy to earn money with. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but without further ado, let's get into the projects. The first game is Fableborn. Now, this is a unique blend of action, role-playing, and strategic base building, allowing players to craft kingdoms, raid rivals, and build PvP league ranks. The game emphasizes both PvE and PvP, allowing people to basically be strategic, be competitive, and it's also on mobile, right? So this is actually dedicated to mobile first, and it's really good to see Web3 projects come out with mobile games. The reason for this is because that's where all the players are in the gaming industry right now. Recent updates with this game include essentially going over to the Ronin blockchain and including the use of power tokens and NFT integrations. This is fantastic, and we can see here that they have Fableborn Kingdoms, an F2P game, which is a free-to-play game, guys, and it is a community-centric project. This is fantastic. Let's move on to the next project. The next project is Treeverse. Now, this is a top-down, open-world, classless MMORPG. If that doesn't make sense to you, don't worry. All it means is the camera is facing down and there are no classes in the game. But an MMORPG basically just means a massively multiplayer game like World of Warcraft, like RuneScape. You can remember those types of games, right? It's good to see Web3 actually getting this far with such built-out games here. And it's important to note that you can actually team up with friends, battle monsters, and gather resources, as well as craft powerful gear. This game has a lot of potential. Definitely check this one out. As you can see, the art is fantastic. And if we're looking at investors here, guys, these are big names behind this brand. Animoca Brands is a massive investment fund that invests in Web3 games. So when these guys are behind a project, oh, definitely keep an eye on that project, keep it on your radar, because it usually means there's a lot of funding to make this thing massive. We can also see GameFi Ventures and Skyvision Capital as other names in this space. The next game I think you're going to love, it's called Cat Slap. So this is essentially a meme token that combines the Memecoin aspect with a tap to earn or slap to earn game, which allows you to earn crypto. The earlier you get in with projects like this, the earlier you start playing, the more you can earn with a game like this, okay? These guys are really crushing it out here, okay? We have the buyback dashboard where essentially tokens get bought back and burnt, which is fantastic. And we can see that their mission here is to essentially dethrone the frogs and dogs and really just make cats the main aim for meme coins in the space. I do think there's a lot of potential there. There have been a few really good cat coins out there that have done really well. And the fact that these guys have a game is massive in terms of potential. So definitely check these guys out in the description. And the final game here is the Sponge Runner game. So if you don't know about the Sponge token that came out in 2023, it did 100x, and Sponge V2, which is this one, is ready to do 1000x. So what this thing is, it's essentially a meme coin, but they have a really cool interactive sponge running game, which essentially allows the coin to thrive, adapting a mainstream audience from people playing the game. This is a play to earn racing game that's very easy to get involved, and we can see here, if we're looking at the tokenomics, that it's pretty standard, pretty nice across the board. If you do get involved with this project, then the staking rewards are ridiculous. You can see here over 40% of the token supply is ready for this token. That is good. All the stakers will profit massively from this. We're also looking at this as well. We can see 10 centralized exchanges, 13,000 holders, and 100 million market cap all-time high. This is the goal. This is what V1 did. Now we're going to be looking for V2 to do the exact same thing in such a massively pro-crypto year for this, because we do have the new administration coming in and they are pro-crypto. So allowing coins like this to thrive in the mainstream market is going to be something that's very easy to do. If you want to get involved with this, definitely check out in the description. You can do it with Matic or USDT. Very easy to do. Just connect your wallet, type in how much you want, and then it's going to give you those sponge tokens. You can then stake those tokens very easily. So again, fantastic one here. Let's wrap up the video and finalize everything we've talked about, right? So we've got Fableborn. This is an established project. This is fantastic. Definitely check it it out. Okay, then we have Treeverse, which is an upcoming MMORPG that's top down and basically allows you to play multiplayer with other people in the crypto space, and they've also got massive backing here. Then we have Cat Slap here, which is a fantastic token, tap to earn game. Tap to earn games can make a lot of money here if you get in early, so definitely check this one out as well. And then finally, the Sponge V2 token with the Sponge Runner game. All you're gonna have to do is play, and then you can earn from this. But if you did want to invest or support any of these projects, guys, definitely check them out in the description, because I think there's a lot of potential there in terms of investment. That's gonna be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.